Hi guys. Let me introduce our lawyer, Tom. He'll explain how to create a non-profit organization in Alberta. Non-profit corporations follow different regulations than standard for-profit corporations. For a non-profit, all profits are not distributed to its members, instead put back into the operations of the business. The examples of non-profits are sports clubs, professional associations, and religious organizations. What are the requirements for setting up a non-profit? Minimum 3 directors. No residency requirements. The purpose must have a non-profitable nature. Start the process by naming your corporation. It can be a numbered corporation when the government assigns you the number. If you choose the named corporation, you need to include a distinctive and descriptive element plus legal suffix. It may contain a legal element limited, or it can end with the words foundation or club or association. Alberta WAN's report is required to register a named corporation. The next step is to establish the business address. Must be a physical address in Alberta. Mailing address can be a P.O. box. After that, elect the director. A minimum of 3 directors are required. Elect the officer. The next important step is to add an agent for service. An agent for service is an individual, located in Alberta, who can accept notices and documents in person or by mail on behalf of the corporation. A valid Canada photo ID or passport is required to register the Alberta Corporation. Next, create the Articles of Association. You will need these mandatory items to run a business: a minute book, a business number, a corporate tax ID, GST registration, a payroll account, an import-export account, WCB account, annual return. Business Alberta Online can form a non-profit in just 2 business days. Visit businessalberta.ca and get incorporated today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Business Alberta Online for more great videos.